The BMW XM is a plug-in hybrid luxury SUV that was unveiled in 2022. It's the first BMW M model to feature a hybrid powertrain and is set to go into production in 2023. The BMW XM has a bold and aggressive design with a prominent front grille, slim LED headlights, and a sloping roofline. The car features a luxurious interior with premium materials such as leather, wood, and metal used throughout. The XM also features a range of advanced technologies, including a large 14.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a premium audio system with 20 speakers. The BMW XM is powered by a plug-in hybrid powertrain, which combines a 4.4-liter V8 engine with an electric motor. The powertrain produces a total system output of 644 horsepower and 590 pounds-ft of torque. The XM also features an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The BMW XM has a top speed of 155 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. The BMW XM has an electric-only range of up to 30 miles and can be charged from 0 to 80% in just 3.5 hours using a 150 kilowatts DC charger. The BMW XM features a range of advanced safety features, including airbags, electronic stability control, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. The BMW XM's dimensions are as follows: length to 103.9 in, width 83.8 in, height 68.3 in, wheelbase 122.2 in. The BMW XM is expected to start at around $160,000, with the top-of-the-line model priced at over $200,000. This pricing positions the BMW XM as a competitor to other luxury SUVs, such as the Audi Q7, Mercedes-Benz GLE, and Porsche Cayenne. Overall, the BMW XM is a highly advanced and luxurious vehicle that combines exceptional performance, comfort, and technology. Its plug-in hybrid powertrain and advanced safety features make it an attractive option for those looking for a high-end SUV that is both environmentally friendly and safe. Additional features of the BMW XM include premium leather upholstery, wood and metal trim, heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, a range of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning,